Movements or changes in position are an important characteristic of living beings. They may be due to the growth or changes made in the internal body components with respect to one another. But movements are not haphazard or secluded. They are highly controlled and coordinated. Control is the power to restrain and regulation by which something can be started, slowed down, expedited, or stopped. Coordination is an orderly or harmonious working of different but interrelated parts so as to perform one or more activities very smoothly. There are two modes of control and coordination in living beings: chemical and nervous. Animals have a nervous system and a chemical system. Plants do not have a nervous system. They use the chemical system. The plants coordinate their behavior against environmental changes by using hormones. The hormones in plants, called phytohormones, coordinate their behavior by affecting the growth of a plant. The growth movement can be directional, as in tropism, and non-directional, as in nasties. And the effect on growth of the plant can result in the movement of a part of the plant, like shoot or root, etc. The plants respond to various stimuli very slowly by growing due to the absence of nervous system. The various types of plant hormones are auxins. They are the plant hormones which promote cell enlargement and differentiation in plants. Auxins also promote fruit growth. Gibberellins are plant hormones which promote cell enlargement and differentiation in the presence of auxins. Gibberellins help in breaking the dormancy in seeds and buds. They also promote growth in fruits. Cytokinins. They are the plant hormones which promote cell division in plants. Cytokinins also help in breaking the dormancy of seeds and buds. They delay the aging in leaves. Cytokinins promote the opening of stomata. They also promote fruit growth. Abscisic acid. It's a plant hormone which functions mainly as a growth inhibitor. Abscisic acid promotes the dormancy in seeds and buds. This is the opposite of breaking of dormancy. It also promotes the closing of stomata. Abscisic acid promotes the wilting and falling of leaves. It also causes the detachment of flowers and fruits from the plants. Functions of plant hormones. It helps in the germination of seeds. It also promotes growth of root, stem, and leaves. It helps in the movement of stomata, flowering of plants, and ripening of fruits. It also helps in phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism, thigmotropism, and nastic movements. Two types of movements are seen in plants. Tropic movements. They are directional growth movement in response to an external stimulus. They help the plants to survive. And nastic movements. They are non-directional movements of growth that are determined by the structure of the responding organ irrespective of the direction of stimulus. Phototropism. It is directional growth movement of curvature which occurs in response to unidirectional exposure to light. Phototropic movement is generally caused by increased auxin on the dark side and lesser auxin on the illuminated side. It causes more growth on the dark side of stem, causing it to bend towards the source of light. Shoot shows positive phototropism as they move towards light, and roots show negative phototropism as they move away from light. Geotropism. The movement of a plant part in response to gravity is called geotropism. Root shows positive geotropism, shoot shows negative geotropism. Chemotropism. Movement of a plant part in response to chemical stimulus is called chemotropism. Here, the pollen tube grows towards the sugary substance, which is a chemical, secreted by the ripe stigma of carpel in the flower. Hydrotropism. The movement of a plant part in response to water is called hydrotropism. Root shows positive hydrotropism, shoot shows negative hydrotropism.